Hey folks, this is our first camping trip of the year. It's Friday night. I don't know if we're going to make a camping video this trip or not, but if we do, this is going to be in the intro. So hang tight. Here's the camp set up. We're ready to rock and roll and spend a long weekend here at camp. So first camping trip of the summer. Excited to hang out with my bride, and we're going to make the most of it. Hey guys, we're at Ricketts Glen State Park, where we've actually been multiple times before. Usually rains when we're up here, rained the other day, but today is a sunny day and we're gonna go take the dogs for a waterfall hike. So stay tuned, we'll show you some of the beautiful scenery from Ricketts Glen State Park. This trail is an absolute gem, a national natural landmark with 21 named waterfalls along the main loop, plus tons of cascades rushing water everywhere you look. The star of the show, Ganoga Falls, plunging a massive 94 feet, the tallest in the park. You'll pass everything from delicate 11-foot drops to powerful plunges like Erie, Tuscarora, Harrison Wright, and others. Each one has its own personality, framed by mossy rocks, towering old-growth hemlocks, pines, and oaks that we've been standing here for hundreds of years. Back in the late 1800s, Colonel R. Bruce Ricketts, a Civil War hero from Gettysburg, owned huge tracts of this land. Fishermen first stumbled on these hidden waters along Kitchen Creek, and the Colonel built the original trails so people could experience them. He named many of the falls after Native American tribes: Mohawk, Oneida, Cayuga, the Seneca, and even some after friends and family. He protected this area instead of logging it all, which is why we get to enjoy these wild, free-flowing waterfalls today. His heirs later helped him turn it into a state park in the 1940s, and it's been wowing hikers ever since. The trail itself, it's about 3 to 4 miles of prime waterfall loop from the Lake Rose trailhead with some solid elevation. Think stone steps carved right into the terrain, tree roots grabbing at your boots, slippery rocks when it's wet, and steep sections that give your legs a real workout. But every step is worth it. You drop down through Ganoga Glen and Glen Lake, meet up at Water's Meet where the creeks join, then climb back up. It's moderate to challenging depending on your pace, but the payoff? Spectacular views around every bend. Mist rising off the falls, sunlight filtering through the canopy, and a constant roar of water that just resets your soul. Out here, we're making memories that stick with you. The kind where you stop, breathe deep, and just soak it all in. Nature is our playground, folks, and Ricketts Glen reminds us of why we get outdoors. To explore, challenge ourselves a bit, and share these wild places with the people we care about. Whether you're chasing big drops or the quiet pools, this hike delivers.
We had a nice rain on Friday night, so the water's flowing today.
All right, we're taking a break. We're a little bit past halfway, and as you can see, I'm nice and warm. Get
You're
this done.
sweating to the mountains.
I'm sweating all right. The dogs are ready to go though. We're going uphill, and thankfully they're pulling us along. So we'll be done here shortly.
What an incredible day at the Falls Trail at Ricketts Glen. We absolutely love this hike. The waterfalls, the rugged terrain, the way it pulls you deep into the woods and leaves you feeling alive. It's one of those spots we'll definitely be coming back to again and again. Maybe with more of the crew next time to make it even more memories. If you enjoy moderate hiking with an absolute spectacular views, put Ricketts Glen on your list right now. You won't regret it. Thanks so much for tagging along with us today on Mentzer Outdoors. If you're loving these adventures and the nature's our playground vibe, hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment with your favorite waterfall or your next hike plan. Until next time, get outside, make some memories, and we'll see you on the trail.